Heavy snow is the theme as we've gone through the morning. This afternoon we continue on with the wind, and there will still be some snow to be had. There'll be some spots with an additional 3 to 5 inches of accumulation. One of those spots may be where the hardest hit areas have been, closer to the shoreline in southeastern New Hampshire. Still winds gusting over 30 miles an hour. Look at Rye Beach, plenty of clouds, and occasional light snow continues to fall there. Next high tide coming up just after 5 o'clock this afternoon. We got a coastal flood warning for the last high tide, which occurred earlier this morning, and we are expecting the seas to continue to kick up, at times 10 to 15-foot waves through the remainder of the afternoon. Some spots here over 20 inches of snow. You get back through Rindge, 8 or 9 inches of snow in portions of the Monadnock region. Even with the help of elevation, you missed out on the heavier hit of snow, and we'll talk about why in just a minute. Mount Washington Valley getting some of the more organized snow at this point, and the ski area is picking up between 4 to 8 additional inches of snow there, and they're not done yet. You will notice here winter storm warnings remain in effect for a good part of the state right now, while the blizzard warnings remain in effect 4 straight hours of winds gusting over 25 miles an hour in Portsmouth and visibilities less than a quarter mile. That qualifies officially as a blizzard at the coastline. Inland sections Manchester missing out during one of those 3 hours, so it wasn't exactly 3 consecutive hours. But we continue on with the snowfall through the afternoon and the wind to go along with it, reducing visibility. We're continuing to see the more organized snowfall line up across the eastern part of the state and up through the foothills and up through the Great North Woods, while it has been lightening up a bit in western areas of the state at the present time. So the focus through the afternoon are these bands of snow that continue to move in, unfortunately, in areas that have seen a lot of snow. Newton at around 24 inches of snow, as well as Auburn, and they're expecting an additional 2 to 4 inches of snow through the afternoon, while up north, again, as heavy as it has been through the White Mountains, up through the Great North Woods and portions of the Mount Washington Valley. One of the areas hit hardest, right around 25 inches of snow, with some more of the snowfall totals, is Haley LaPointe. She's officially in Nashua and has been there all morning long, tracking the snow and the wind for us. Haley?
Hey, Kevin. Here in Nashua, it continues to snow. It has been going like this since we got here, about 4 a.m. The good thing is, and what we were all just kind of talking about recently, is it seems a lot calmer, especially the winds and the snow not coming down quite as heavy, or these big bunches. Certainly, it is still coming down and will cause problems throughout the rest of the afternoon on the roadways. It is the very super fluffy stuff, and that's why we've accumulated so much here. At last check, we're around 25 inches. It's been a while since we've had this much snow in Nashua. Now, in terms of the road conditions around here, they've got the main street open here. Certainly the sidewalks very snow covered, and you can see this pile right here is as tall as I am. So the crews have been out. They've got a lot of work to do, certainly to clean up all of this snow and figure out where to place it all too. But through the rest of the afternoon, we are expecting additional accumulation by the end of all of this. Could be talking close to 30 inches here in Nashua. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. We'll send it back into you, Kevin.
Thank you very much, Haley, and we continue to watch those temperatures climb by a couple of degrees, but still it is a very fluffy snow out there at this point, and winds still going, sustained over 20 miles an hour along the coastal plain where that blizzard warning remains in effect. Still some gusts as possibilities through the afternoon, over 30 miles an hour. They are not coming all at the same time. You will have instances where it'll be around 10 or 15 miles an hour, and then you'll get this 35-mile-an-hour gust just kind of come randomly, and that has been knocking back the wind chills if you're going to be going to dig out, especially in southeastern areas. Not quite as much back to the north and west of Manchester and Concord, and mainly because that heavier band that's set up just didn't move any farther to the north and west. All it would have taken is another 20-mile jog to get places like Concord, Loudon, Henniker, New London, Washington, Alexandria involved in that heavier snow band, where the snowfall rates were 2, 3, even 3.5 to 4 inches of snow per hour. But they missed out on that, and so the snowfall totals there through central and northern parts of the state wind up a little bit less. Once we get beyond this system, the snowfall gradually winds down through the evening. Skies clear overnight, winds settle down. The next focus will be the next system, and as long as this doesn't redevelop offshore, this is one of those systems that eventually just moves through with a quick 2 to 4 inches of snow. But a little early to talk amounts on that. Still focused on wrapping up the one that is in place. It'll be a couple of days to dig out ahead of the next system. And again, if there's no redevelopment, this is almost kind of an enhanced Alberta Clipper type system with 2 to 4 inches of snow. But that redevelopment can be tricky in the forecast. A break over the weekend, which is convenient. and then there might be another system by Monday.
A couple other systems to go, huh?
And seemingly more lined up behind that.